Welcome. If you want to activate location tags in your photos in Samsung Galaxy M31, for the first you have to open your camera. Right now just click on the left upper corner, and right now when you scroll down we can just select this switcher, click turn on, click allow and click OK also. And right now this function is turned on. So right now when you take a photo and we are going to check it in the details, we can see where the photo was taken. So the location, we have to show the location info in the gallery settings. So click here, go back, and as you can see right now we got our location info about our photo. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.